So what's up guys, and we are back for another video. So ngayon magte-testing tayo ng binuo natin o na-build natin, no? So this is WE M4 Reese GBBR, no? So pinalitan natin ng handguard, naka Daniel Defense na MFR 9 inches, tapos naka enlarge na grip, mag tool, and naka CTR na buttstock, no? And also G45 EOTech set, no? 558 and G45 na X5, no? So tara, testing tayo guys. So yan, no? Testing tayo. Full auto, semi, full auto. Okay. So yan, nag-open bolt na, ibig sabihin wala na siyang BBs. Remove natin yung magazine, tapos baba natin charging handle, yung bolt, no? So release natin yung trigger. So yun, maraming salamat bossing. Yan, thank you.